Turkey has emerged as one of the world's most influential developers of unmanned aircraft systems, with the Bayraktar family of drones becoming a defining symbol of the country's modern defense industry. The recent comprehensive testing of the entire Bayraktar drone system marks a significant milestone, reflecting technological maturity and a strategic vision that combines innovation, and export competitiveness. The Bayraktar brand, developed by the Turkish company Baykar, is not a single platform but a growing ecosystem of unmanned aircraft designed for a wide range of missions and environments. From tactical drones to high-altitude and long-endurance platforms, the Bayraktar lineup demonstrates Turkey's ambition to cover the full spectrum of unmanned aviation needs. Testing is a crucial phase in aerospace development. By evaluating all Bayraktar systems under a variety of conditions, Turkey aims to ensure that each platform meets stringent safety, durability, and performance standards. These tests typically check flight stability, navigation accuracy, sensor integration, communication links, and autonomous capabilities. Equally important, these tests assess how different systems can operate within a common command and control framework. Such testing also supports continuous improvement. Data collected during flights helps engineers refine software, increase hardware durability, and optimize energy efficiency. This iterative process is a hallmark of modern aerospace engineering and has contributed to the rapid evolution of the Bayraktar platform over the past decade. Aircraft systems are known for their advanced avionics, secure communications systems, and increased levels of autonomy. Many platforms integrate domestically produced components, including flight computers, sensors, and mission systems. This focus on local technology reduces dependence on foreign suppliers and strengthens Turkey's industrial base. Another important feature is the modular design. Bayraktar systems are built to accommodate different payloads, allowing the same airframe to support surveillance, reconnaissance, or other mission profiles depending on the need. System-wide testing ensures that these modular elements function reliably and consistently. Strategic and industrial significance. From a strategic perspective, the testing of the entire Bayraktar fleet demonstrates Turkey's confidence in its unmanned aviation capabilities. It signals readiness not only for domestic use but also for international partnerships and export. Bayraktar drones have attracted global attention, and rigorous testing reinforces their reputation for reliability. Industrially, this test highlights the success of Turkey's defense innovation model, which emphasizes close collaboration between engineers, manufacturers, and operators. This approach accelerates the development cycle and allows real-world feedback to inform design decisions. The result is a series of platforms that rapidly evolve in response to operational lessons and technological advances. Comprehensive testing also plays a role in building human capital. Engineers, technicians, and operators gain hands-on experience during test campaigns, strengthening expertise across the aerospace sector. Universities and research institutions often contribute to this ecosystem, supporting research in areas such as artificial intelligence, materials science, and aerodynamics. Over time, this knowledge base helps sustain innovation beyond a single product line. The global interest in Bayraktar systems means that successful testing has implications beyond Turkey's borders. Many countries look to these platforms as examples of cost-effective, high-performance unmanned solutions. Demonstrating that all systems have passed extensive trials enhances trust among international partners and customers. At the same time, Turkey positions itself as a responsible developer by emphasizing testing, certification, and compliance with aviation standards. This focus helps normalize unmanned aircraft as safe and reliable tools for a wide range of civilian and governmental applications. As unmanned technology continues to evolve, future testing is likely to focus on greater autonomy, improved coordination between multiple aircraft, and integration with other aerial and ground systems. Advances in artificial intelligence, data processing, and propulsion will shape the next generation of Bayraktar platforms. The testing of all Bayraktar unmanned aircraft systems is therefore not an endpoint but a foundation. It reflects how far Turkey has come in a relatively short time and points toward an ambitious future in which unmanned aviation plays a central role in technology, industry, and innovation. In summary, Turkey's comprehensive testing of the Bayraktar UAS family underscores a commitment to quality, self-reliance, and continuous improvement. It highlights the country's growing influence in the global unmanned systems arena and sets the stage for further advancements that will likely shape the future of aerospace technology.